Hi, this is Purple Worm Cena, and this is a video on how to make another BB gun. If you didn't know that I make a lot of BB guns, go to my channel and check it out. So, this gun is really easy to make. Now, here is what the finished version looks like. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera right here set up against that. Good. So I think you can see the pen right here. Good. Alright. So what you need is you're gonna need your pen. And once you have your pen, you're gonna take the top part off. I'm gonna get my pliers. So you take the top part off. Ink. And then my bottom part is really messed up. So that's out. Now I have this and my ink. So what I have to do is get my duct tape and a rubber band. So first I'm gonna get my duct tape, tear some of it off like this, and this is good. So now I get my pen and my duct tape. I put the duct tape on like that. So, oops. Then I get my rubber band, and I'm gonna put it in here. Like right here. And then just wrap the tape around. Like that. So, it looks like this. And you just you can do that. So, now I have this. And this is where I get the ink. So, I'll take another piece of duct tape. Alright, and now what I have to do is get this off my finger. Jesus Christ. There. I have to put this and stick it on like that. That's okay that it fell. So now I'm gonna get my rubber band. It's still on my pen, so it's still attached. And I'll take it and put it. Let me face it so you can see it. There we go. And I'll attach it right in here. So it looks like that. And then I'll just stretch it and fold the duct tape. This is really hard to do with the camera and everything. It's really hard. So yeah, I have the tape on and I'll just press it in. You know what I mean? So now it looks like this. And basically I am done with the gun. So now all I have to do is get this ink inside of pen. Done. So now what you do, just pull back and hit whatever. I know my camera's bad, so you can't see it, but you can hear it. Here's my other gun. It's the same exact thing, it's just with a straw. It does hurt more, because it's longer, I guess, but whatever. Now, this doesn't really hurt. I mean, it stings, I guess. Not really, though. But it's like fun for during class, if you're bored. You probably can't see my face in the video. Sorry about that. I don't know if you can. Maybe you can, I don't know. But here's my face. So, I have another one of these, and it's made out of a mechanical pencil, and I'm going to look for it. I don't know where it is, but I think I might know. If I don't know, then whatever. Okay, so I couldn't find it, but basically, mechanical pencils, they have like the thing on the end. Like if you ever taken the top off, they have like a little, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like this little thing where the lead comes out, like where you push it and the lead comes out. So for that, it's kind of like a horn or whatever, which makes them bad for BB gun, like for like a regular barrel for a BB gun, but they're good for this, so you don't like snap the rubber band if you're pulling it back too far, like that. Let's say the pen was longer, and it snaps, that would suck, but it has like a little guard right on the side. Like for my other ones, I have like the actual thing that you put on this, like, hold up. Like, kind of like that, but this thing doesn't go to this pen, so whatever. So it like is a guard kinda, so you don't snap the rubber band. So it's good with mechanical pencils, but it's good with these two. So that's what happens when you pull it back too far. And yeah, pretty much done with the video now. And yes, this can go through paper, if you were wondering. Like, that's always the test, to see if it might hurt a little. Maybe it goes through paper. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be making some more videos later. Bye. Thanks for watching.